How to fix Umamusume app crashing? Well, in order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the App Store on a device. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Umamusume. Head over to this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you're facing some issue in this app. In this case, click on update and update it. Once you've got the updated version, now move into the settings of a device, head over to general, and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Umamusume and then click on it. Tap on offload app, and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.